one final trip, not only for 2023, but also in our 2016 Grand Design Solitude 375 RE. This has been a much anticipated trip for us. Super exciting, but we are finally here after about 4 months of waiting on our new rig. We are finally taking delivery. So this morning we are making all the preps to get underway one last time in this girl behind us. As you can see, it's still pretty dark out here. A little bit chilly, it's about 40 degrees, not too bad. But we're gonna get this thing underway today, and let's hope for no disasters this morning. All right, let's see exactly where we're at here. Looks like we are pretty low here, guys. I don't drive this truck much right now, so the tires are pretty low. We got a ways to go on these. All right, there we go. That's much better. Onto the rig, because this thing's been sitting stationary for a long time and I know they're low. How are we doing in here?
Well, okay, except once again I can't find the campground in our Garmin. I've searched for the address, but it's on this funky road, State Highway AT.
AT?
AT.
Well.
I looked for neighboring businesses, they all have the same thing.
And what are you doing, buddy? Are you ready to get underway?
Huh? I don't like what you're doing out there. It's making me nervous.
All right, so did it get updated?
Yes.
Okay, we're updated there. If you had to give me a estimated time that you have left in here.
15.
Oh, okay. Well, I think you're ahead of me. So I guess I'll get back to work. Wicket doesn't like when we do slides. He's a little shaky over here. He's nervous. Okay, time to get hitched up here. Successful on the road finally. I had to stop video in there. We haven't done it for a while, so I just didn't want to get distracted and miss anything, forget anything. But anyway, we are on the road. We've got about 330 miles today, is that right?
Yep.
And it's going to be dark when we get in. So luckily we got a pull through site. It should be easy in, easy out tomorrow morning. But we don't like getting there after dark because you guys know that's kind of a pain in the neck. But we're on the road, no mishaps yet. passenger compartment door shut. Lock it. Who's that?
Not me.
I feel like we need a rest stop checklist.
Might not be a bad idea.
Hey buddy, what are you doing? Why are you always sitting on top of the kitty cats? Huh? What's going on? What's the matter with you? Alright, so how much money did we save by using our TSD card?
Alright, so we got 16.99 gallons. The list price was $4.24 a gallon. We paid $3.44, so 80 cents a gallon, and we saved an overall $12.29, and that includes the 65-cent TSD fee.
Nice. So 80, how many cents?
80 cents per gallon.
80 cents per gallon. So that's pretty good.
That's,
I think our typical like average is like 50 cents or so per gallon.
Yeah.
Usually, so that's pretty good. All right, good. 12 bucks that are still in our pocket.
Paid for lunch.
That's right, it paid for lunch. And what a terrible lunch it was.
Just checking hub temps here. This is an every stop thing we do. What we're mainly looking for here is just to make sure that they're all within about the same range.
All right, so I could see this flapping in the wind, driving down the road here. This was not good. Had some screws come out. I do have some screws that Grand Design gave me, but there's nothing to grab on the back side. So we're just gonna use a little nut and bolt here to get this secured on until we can, you know, get it fixed properly. All right, got her all tightened up, and that baby ain't going anywhere now. So we should be good until we get her traded in, and then it's not my problem anymore, right?
Water liquor reserve right there.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
When the mainframe's gonna come crashing down on that grid, man. That look like a damn apocalypse now, man.